Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to easily switch between networks in TokenPocket. First of all, launch open your TokenPocket application on your mobile device. Now from the home page where it says Asset, go ahead and click on the menu icon on the top left. You'll then come across your wallet list. A sidebar will pop up listing all the chains. You can select on the left hand side to scroll through your wallets. Now go ahead and select your wallet you want to switch to. Choose any one wallet such as Core Wallet and then you'll be able to see the wallet name on the screen. If a network isn't there, you'll need to go to the top left and tap on the search icon and you can enter the name of the wallet or the network to find it by searching it quickly. Once you do that, your wallet will appear on the screen. If you sent money to your BNB address, you must select the BNB chain option. If you are looking for your core tokens, you'll need to find the core option from the list. And there you have it. That is how you will be able to switch between networks. Just go ahead and select the wallet in the wallet list page and you'll be able to see that you have switched network in TokenPocket. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.